How to find hidden patterns in logic puzzles. Have you ever stared at a logic puzzle and wondered how to uncover its secrets? Finding hidden patterns in these puzzles can be a fun and rewarding challenge. Let's break down how you can do this step by step. First, take a moment to read all the clues carefully. Understanding the information provided is essential. You might want to jot down notes or highlight key points to keep track of what you know. Next, organizing the data visually can be a game changer. Consider using grids or diagrams. For instance, in logic grid puzzles, creating a matrix can help you manage complex relationships. Mark off what doesn't fit to clarify your path to the solution. Now let's talk about numbers. Look for common numerical patterns. You might find arithmetic progressions where you add or subtract a constant, or perhaps geometric progressions where you multiply or divide by a constant. Pay attention to the differences or ratios between consecutive numbers. Sometimes, puzzles involve special number properties, like prime numbers or perfect squares. Recognizing these can lead you to the answer. Next, consider the relationships between elements. If a puzzle states that one item is taller than another, you can start to build a ranking order. Linking these clues logically often reveals a hidden structure. If the puzzle includes shapes or visual elements, observe any transformations. Look for rotations, reflections, or color changes. Predicting the next figure may depend on identifying these changes as a repeating pattern. Don't hesitate to question your assumptions. If the pattern isn't obvious, think outside the box. Some puzzles requiring you to interpret clues in unexpected ways or consider multiple meanings of words or numbers. Using logical notation can also help. Translating word problems into equations or logical statements can make solving easier. Define variables and set up relationships to create a systematic approach. Practice is key. The more you engage with different types of puzzles, the better you will become at spotting subtle patterns. Finding hidden patterns in logic puzzles not only sharpens your problem-solving skills, but also enhances your cognitive flexibility. This skill is useful in many fields, including mathematics and data analysis. Recognizing patterns strengthens memory and decision-making abilities. It trains your brain to detect regularities and predict outcomes. So, the next time you face a logic puzzle, remember these strategies. Organize your information, identify numerical or relational sequences, and think creatively. Each pattern you uncover reveals the fascinating connections numbers create, making the puzzle-solving journey even more enjoyable.